Hello, it's Taro from Thomas Bird Shoes, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at some monk strap shoes. Here on my left we have 6 monk straps. This is a style called Born, available in 6 different colours. Here we have it in our hand finished blue. So Born is a double monk strap, here with gunmetal adjustable buckles. It's a shoe that has a stitched cap, a classic rounded toe shape, and is suitable for men with a standard or slightly wider than standard foot. It can also accommodate a slightly higher than standard instep if necessary, as the straps can adjust, open up, and the foot can slide in without any trouble. It's made on a leather sole with a rubber insert, brass pinned leather heel stack, and a half rubber top piece. All our shoes are made and crafted in Italy. This is Born, but in tan leather. You'll note this beautiful rich hand finishing, and the buckles have changed colour to match the upper in bronze. Our shoes are fully leather lined with a genuine leather insole, and if we move on to this shoe, again Born but in navy blue suede, and suede really does match the style beautifully. You can see the self-coloured stitching, the gunmetal buckles, and again features the Blake stitched leather and rubber sole. The second variation we have on the monk strap is the single buckle monk, which is called Brooklyn. Here we have it in oxblood leather, and other than the fact that it's a single buckle, the main difference between this and the Born is that it's made on a slightly shorter and more chiselled toe shape. The feedback that we've received from our customers is that Brooklyn also is fitting true to size, but can accommodate a slightly wider than standard foot. The sole design on Brooklyn is slightly different, but it still features the rubber forepart, brass pin top piece, and rubber portion on the heel here for grip and durability. Brooklyn's available in 3 colours, this being the dressy and sophisticated black option. Pairs really well with a suit, darker suits, and could even be dressed up with a formal attire. And finally we have Brooklyn in our hand finished brown leather, and you'll note that this style has beautiful burnishing on the toe and really pairs well with denim or with chinos and lighter coloured suits. So that rounds up our collection of monk strap shoes. We also have a very informative blog on our website, so please take the time to read that if you have any questions. Other than that, if you had feedback or if you have any comments, please put them in the comment section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.